You know what actually happens every summer. First 2 weeks, everyone's having fun. Late nights, hanging out, doing nothing. That's fine. Then July comes around, and there's this quiet feeling that shows up, like you were supposed to do something with this time, but half of it is already gone. Then August, then September, and you're the same person standing in the same place. I'm not saying this to make anyone feel bad. I'm saying it because I've seen this pattern in myself and in people who genuinely want things to change, but somehow never do. So if you actually want this summer to hit different, there are only 3 things that matter. First one is waking up before the day gets loud, not 5 a.m. Nothing crazy, just early enough that the world hasn't started yet. 6:30, whatever works. Summer mornings have this weird quality to them. It's quiet, the air is actually cool, nobody's texting you yet. That window right there, that's when real work happens. Don't touch your phone first thing, drink some water, step outside for a few minutes, let the sunlight in. That's it. Sounds too simple to matter, but it genuinely changes how the rest of your day feels. Second one, move before you talk yourself out of it. You don't need a gym. A 20-minute walk counts. A few push-ups in your room counts. The only rule is that it happens in the morning, because by afternoon in summer, the heat and the laziness team up against you and you will lose that fight every time. And here's the thing that actually surprised me when I looked into it. Your brain runs fastest for about 4 to 5 hours after you exercise. So whatever you're trying to learn this summer, do it right after you move, not before. Timing actually matters here. Third one, pick one skill and just go deep on it. Not 3 things, not a whole self-improvement list. One thing, something the world will actually pay for someday. Coding, video editing, writing, design, sales, whatever connects to where you want to go. 90 minutes a day, every day. By the time September comes around, you won't just have watched videos about it, you'll have actually built something, a portfolio, real experience, something to show. Most people will spend these 3 months watching other people do interesting things on a screen. That gap between the ones who build and the ones who watch, it opens up exactly here. Exactly in summers like this one. That's really all there is to it. No complicated system, no perfect morning routine with 11 steps. Just these 3 things done consistently and quietly while everyone else is waiting for the right moment. So drop a comment out of these 3. Which one are you actually starting tomorrow?